Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to our Math Grade 3 online class for today, which is about Unit 5, which is about what? About division. Okay, it's about division. This one is the symbol for division. Okay. Now first, let's start with the warm-up questions. Let us read. You can turn on your microphone and read with me, alright? Number 1, let us read. What do... this one is no do, okay? Do not read do. Teacher is not correct here. What operation do we use when we put things together? Okay, when you want to put things together, like for example, you have 2 apples and 2 apples here, you want to put them together, what operation do we use when you want to put them together? When you say operation, is it addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? What operation do we use when you put things together? Addition. Very good. Addition or plus. Okay, good. Next, number 2, let us read. What do we do when we take away something from a set? Alright. Now, for example, you have a set of 10 bananas. Okay? Listen, you have a set of 10 bananas, a basket full of bananas. There are 10 bananas. If you take away or if you get 2 bananas, what operation do we use? Minus or subtraction. Very good. It's subtraction. When you want to take away, that is subtraction. Next. Number 3, let us read. What operation is the short way of adding numbers? When you add numbers, like for example, okay, now for example, you have 7 plus 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 7. Okay, if you want to make it short, what operation can we use? Instead of saying 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, what do we use instead of saying 7 plus 7 plus 7? If you have a lot of numbers, you add, for example, you add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. If you want to stop using a lot of numbers too, or if you want to stop adding and adding and adding again and again, what operation can you use instead of addition? We will not use addition anymore. What operation can you use? Times, yes. Multiplication. You can just say 2 times 10, 2 times 5, right? Or 7 times 8, instead of saying 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. That is the short way of adding numbers. Multiplication. Alright? Okay, let's go to our vocabulary words for today. Everyone read with me, alright? The first one is, how do you read this word? How do you read this word? Divide. Everyone say divide. Okay, divide in Thai is... okay, this is the symbol for division. When you see this symbol, it means you divide. Next, what's the next word? How do you read this? Yes, remainder. Everyone say remainder. You can see this one, remainder. Remainder. Remainder in Thai is Okay, you can see remainder in addition, subtraction, in multiplication. Oh, not, yeah, that is the remainder. Even in division, you have remainder, right? Like this one, you have remainder here. Okay, next. How do you read this word? Symbol. Everyone say symbol. Symbol in Thai. Okay, now we will be using a lot of this symbol. This one is the symbol for division. Alright, our topic for today is division. What is division in Thai? What is division in Thai? Okay, now first, what is division? Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. Like for example, you want to make a set of 5. You want to make a set of 5, okay? You have 15. For example, you have 15 candies. Okay, 15 candies. You want to make a set of 5. It means you want one set with 5 candies each. Okay, so you just have to divide the 15 candies and you will have equal sets. Sets with equal numbers of candies. Okay, now. Okay, the division sign is a symbol consisting of a short horizontal line. This one is the horizontal line, and a dot above and another below. Okay, now today we will be learning about the relationship between multiplication and division. What is multiplication in Thai? Multiplication, what is it? Times, what is it in Thai? What is multiplication? Times, how do you say it in Thai? Now multiplication is somehow same with division. Okay, now we will be having some examples. For example, this one. Okay, for example, you have 4 times 3 equals 12. This one is multiplication, right? Now, you have these digits or these numbers. You have 4, you have 3, and you have 12. Okay? It's okay. If you want to go to the toilet, you can just go to the toilet. Don't have to ask Teacher Danica, okay? Alright, again, you have 4, you have 3, and you have 12. When you convert it, or when you use these numbers in division, you will still have the same numbers. You will still have 12, you will still have 4, and you will still have 3. Like for example, 4 times 3 is 12. If you try putting 12 here, you divide it with 4, the answer will be 3. You're still using the same numbers. Alright? Turn on your cameras, okay? I want to see you. Alright, next. Okay, now, do you have your books with you? Math book. Your math book. Okay, if you have your math book, can you get them, please? Okay, open your books on page 42. 42, 4 and 2. Page 42. Are you ready? Okay. All right. For division, page 42, look at number 1. For number 1, it looks like this. Okay, for number 1, it looks like 6 times 5, right? Is it correct? This is number 1 or not? Yes, it's 6 times 5. Okay, everyone, let us read. 6 times 5. You can turn on your microphone. 6 times 5. This simple, how do you read this? Equal 30. Okay, again, I want you to practice reading the math sentence. How do you read it? 6 times 5 equals 30. If we put this in division, we'll be putting 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6 is what? 30 divided by 6 is what? It is 5. Then write 5. See, you still have 30, you still have 5, you still have 6, right? Finished? Next. The first question is 6 times 5 equals 30. It's the same as 30 divided by 6 is 5. When you multiply, it's the same as addition, right? You have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 30. Okay? Now, when you divide, it's like making groups. Okay? If you have 30 and you want to make a group of 6, okay, if you want to make groups of 6, then you divide it by 6. And the answer will be 5. Alright. Next, number 2. 7. Everyone read. 7. 56. Good. 56, how do you read this? Divided by 7 is what? 8. Yes. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Next, number 3. Okay, number 3 is 7 times 8 equals 56. It's the same as 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. Right? 8. Turn on your cameras, okay? Turn on your camera. Okay, next. You have 9. Everyone read. 9 times 4 equals 36. 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. Correct. Then write 4. Finished? Next. 9. Everyone read. 9 times 4 equals 36. It's the same as 36 divided by 9 equals what? 4. That's the same one, right? That's the same one as the earlier. Okay. Now, 5 times 7. 5 times 7 equals 35. 35 divided by 5 is good, 7. Write beautifully, okay? Sorry, because teacher is just using a mouse. You can write beautifully. You're using your pencils. All right. Next, 3 times 8. Read 3. Read 3 times 8 equals 24. It's the same as 24 divided by, everyone say divided by 3. How do you equals 24 divided by 3? 8. Yes, then write 8. Finished? Finished. Okay, next. Okay. Now, can you get your worksheet, please? Get your worksheet. Do you have your worksheet? Worksheet, this one, this paper. Do you have it? We'll be answering this, okay? Just wait a moment.